equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed guide on maintaining your HP 15DC laptop and replacing its hard drive. Today, we'll walk you through the entire process, ensuring you have all the information you need to do it yourself or know when to seek professional help. First, let's gather the tools you'll need. You will require a Phillips head screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep everything organized. Begin by powering off your laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if your model allows it. This is crucial for your safety and to avoid any electrical issues during the process. Next, flip the laptop over and locate the screws securing the back panel. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel removed, you'll see the hard drive compartment. The hard drive is typically secured with a bracket and a couple of screws. Remove these screws and carefully lift the hard drive out of its bay. If you're replacing it, now is the time to install the new hard drive. Align it properly and secure it with the screws you just removed. Before closing everything up, it's a good idea to clean the internal components. Use compressed air to blow out any dust from the fans and other areas. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. Now, let's reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws. Reinsert the battery if you removed it earlier. Power on your laptop and check if it recognizes the new hard drive. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have your laptop serviced without any hassle. If everything is working fine, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the hard drive in your HP 15DC laptop. However, if you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. In summary, maintaining your HP 15DC and replacing its hard drive is a straightforward process if you follow these steps carefully. Remember, no calls, no travel. We are here to help you with all your laptop needs right from the comfort of your home. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.